Alright, imagine if there was an easier way to make money online that just required you to type in a few prompts using powerful AI tools. And here's the best part. You don't need any tech skills to get started. Seriously, you've be able to do this even. If you have zero tech skills, because these AI tools will basically do all the work for you. And the cool thing about this tool is that it's completely free. And before we go into some of the side hustles that you can start with ChatGPT, both of these tools allow you to generate faceless YouTube shorts or reels using AI-generated scripts and voices. This means that you don't have to show your face. You don't have to hire actors with the help of AI. You can use Fiverr to offer services such as writing, graphic design, voiceovers, and so much more. Remember how I talked about how you could use Canva AI to make things like planners and templates? Did you know that there are multiple six-figure YouTube channels out there that don't even show the creator's face? Well, you can use tools like Pictory or InVideo to make faceless videos that you can upload to YouTube. Remember, you don't need any tech skills to get started. You just need to pick a tool, learn a skill, and then turn your free time into dollars. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to follow 4 more 2025 side hustle ideas. See you guys next time. There are multiple ways that you can monetize these videos, but the easiest way is by putting ads in front of your videos. How much money you make from this will depend on a few factors, such as how many views you get and what country your viewers are located in. But to give you an idea, if you get 1,000 views per day at a 10 cents RPM, that's $10 per day, which is $30 per month. And the best part is that you only need 500 subscribers to be accepted into the partner program. Now, this isn't going to make you rich, but with the rise of AI tools, making videos has never been easier. So consider learning how to use these tools to increase your income. Well, this is where those come into play. With Etsy, you can open up a shop. This is very similar to the last side hustle. But instead of using YouTube, you can upload your shorts to TikTok. If you get a lot of views, you can apply to become a creator in the TikTok partner program, where you can earn money based off of the number of views that you get on your videos. Like with YouTube, you can put ads in front of your videos, but with TikTok, it's recommended that you focus on getting as many views as possible, because the more views you get, the more money you'll make. One thing that sets TikTok apart from other social media platforms, though, is that they actually pay you based off of the number of views that you receive in the previous month. So, unlike YouTube, where they pay you at the start of each month based off of the views you received the month prior, TikTok pays you for the current month based off of the views that you received in the previous month. And sell things like planners, resume templates, website themes, and so much more. And the best part is that you can leverage AI to create all of these products without spending hours on end creating new designs. Once you've created your digital product, you can list it on Etsy and set your price. Then whenever somebody buys your product, Etsy will automatically send you the payment, and you can download the file and send it over to the customer. What's also nice about selling on Etsy is that you only need a few sales per week to make a full-time income. A lot of people underestimate the power of this. But if you just sell 3 to 4 products per week at a $20 price point, that's $80 per week, which is $320 per month. That's more than enough to replace a full-time job. For example, you could use ChatGPT to write blog posts and product descriptions and then upload them onto Fiverr for people to buy. The great thing about Fiverr is that you can set your own prices. However, keep in mind that you need to be somewhat skilled at whatever you're offering your service for. But I think one of the biggest benefits of Fiverr is that it gives you exposure and experience that you can later leverage to charge higher prices. Because once you build up a good portfolio and reviews on Fiverr, you can start increasing your prices, and you won't have to rely on a third-party platform anymore. You don't have to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars on editing software, and you don't need a degree in film to make high-quality videos. All you need is a good idea, and the rest will be taken care of by AI. I want to show you exactly how this works. Because most people think that you have to be some type of rocket scientist or programmer to be able to use ChatGPT, but that's just not true. You literally just go to openai.com, and then click Try ChatGPT. From there, you can see that you can just talk to ChatGPT by typing anything into this box, and ChatGPT will respond. Let me show you guys what I mean. If I write a 500-word blog post on how to make money with affiliate marketing, ChatGPT will spit me out an entire blog post that I can then copy and paste wherever I want. And the crazy thing about this is that it does it within seconds. Now, obviously, this isn't going to make you rich, but you can combine this tool with one of the side hustles that I'm about to share with you, and that is where you'll really start seeing some results. In today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to take these 4 tools and turn them into 4 different side hustles that you can start making money with today. Let's jump right into it. Tool no. One is ChatGPT, and you can use this tool to write things like blog posts, ad copies, product descriptions, and so much more. Tool no. 2 is Canva AI. It's pretty much a better version of the free version of Canva. Now you might be asking yourself, why would I pay for this when the free version already exists? Well, this makes it so that you can create and sell things like planners, resumes, templates, website themes, and so much more. And honestly, this platform has endless potential. The reason why I like this so much is because you can use it to create digital products and sell them on platforms like Etsy, where you can leverage AI to create a bunch of products without having to spend hours sitting at a desk coming up with new ideas and designs. Tool no. 3 is either Pictory or InVideo. Now that you guys know what tools you can use, let me walk you through 4 different side hustles that you can start today. Side hustle no. 1 is freelancing on Fiverr. Side hustle no. 2 is selling digital downloads on Etsy. Side hustle no. 3 is monetizing a faceless YouTube channel. And finally, side hustle no. 4 is monetizing a faceless TikTok account. And look, none of these side hustles are going to make you rich overnight, but they can definitely help you earn some extra cash.